1. What is AI? AI, artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that creates machines or software that can think, learn, and make decisions similar to how humans do. AI systems can analyze data, recognize patterns, and solve problems, often faster and more accurately than humans in specific tasks. 2. How does AI work? AI works by using algorithms, step-by-step instructions to process data and make decisions. Most modern AI uses machine learning, where the system learns from examples instead of being manually programmed. For example, if you show an AI thousands of cat pictures, it learns to recognize cats by identifying patterns in those images. 3. What are the types of AI? AI is usually categorized into 3 main types. Narrow facial AI recognition performs one task like voice assistance or this is the AI we use today. General AI, hypothetical AI that can think and reason like a human across any task. Super AI, AI that surpasses human intelligence, still theoretical. 4. Will AI take over jobs? AI will change jobs more than take them. It will automate repetitive tasks, for example, data entry, basic customer service, but it will also create new jobs in AI development, data science, and tech support. Humans will still be needed for creativity, emotion, ethics, and leadership. 5. Is AI dangerous? AI is not dangerous by itself, but how humans use it can be. Risks include job loss from automation, bias in algorithms, privacy concerns, misinformation via deepfakes or AI-written content. Long-term fears like AI are debated among experts, but not a current threat. 8. What are the real-world applications of AI? AI is everywhere. Healthcare, disease diagnosis, robotic surgery, finance, fraud detection, stock prediction, entertainment, Netflix recommendations, transportation, self-driving cars, customer service, AI chatbots. 10. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data. It learns language patterns, grammar, and knowledge, and uses that to predict what words come next in a sentence. It doesn't think like a human, it generates likely responses based on your input. 12. What are ethical issues in AI? Bias. AI can learn and repeat human biases from data. Privacy, surveillance, and personal data misuse. Job displacement, economic impact of automation. Misinformation, fake content, deepfakes, and AI spam. That's why responsible AI with fairness, transparency, and accountability is so important. 13. How is AI used in daily life? Smartphones, face unlock, voice assistants, social media, content recommendations, shopping, personalized ads and suggestions. Cars, lane assist, parking help, email, spam filtering, smart replies. You're likely interacting with AI every day, often without noticing.